Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I'm doing another video review of another weather station. Today is going to be different from my normal reviews. Normally, I've been doing a lot of reviews of the lacrosse weather stations. They're different types. This time, I decided to try out a couple of the AcuRite weather stations that they have. This weather station is going to be model number 00384. Again, it's the AcuRite thermometer. Okay, model number 00384. So, looks like a pretty decent weather station over here. It's real nice, really cool graphics. This thermometer also includes a moon phase. They also have you have your indoor temperature, 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and you got your 40 degrees of humidity. And then you also have the date and the time going on and your outdoor temperature, okay, which is your humidity right over here. Of course, right now I'm in Texas and we just had a huge rainstorm. So, I mean, it was hot, but now it's really cool. So the temperature outside is only 80 degrees. So overall, it's a pretty nice unit. Definitely was very easy to set up, slim. This is a desktop model only. Um, you could put it up on the wall. They have an opening in the back for it. Unfortunately, this unit does want you to plug it in. Okay, you can put some batteries in there. Unfortunately, if you put it up on the wall, you're going to have some wires hanging out. So with this model, the setup is pretty good. The only thing about this versus lacrosse is their outdoor sensor. The outdoor sensor is pretty much basically the same. Only requires two AA batteries, which the main unit also requires three AAA batteries. So now we're looking at a total of 5 batteries normally versus 4 batteries, which is the difference between lacrosse and AcuRite. Okay, but the one thing that I wasn't really too keen about the AcuRite outdoor sensor is the top portion going on over here. With the lacrosse, you have a better way of mounting it, which they have the 2 holes where you can put it securely against a post or on the side of your house. Here, you have to place it. Uh, Honestly, I have really no idea how you would place it outside. Okay, it still requires the same distance, 300 to 330 feet according to the manual, and or 300 for the distance. Okay, so it leaves kind of a imagination to where you're going to place this unit securely. Um, and again, those of you who are handy would be able to figure it out. So that's the only one really bad aspect of the whole AcuRite weather station is how and where to mount the outdoor sensor. Other than that, the graphics are pretty good. It still looks the same. They still give you the same features as lacrosse. So you're looking at a pretty good unit. The price for AcuRite also versus lacrosse, AcuRite seems to be a little more cheaper than the lacrosse stations. Although some of the units, they were kind of priced almost the same. So as far as price goes, they're kind of like borderline same for each. Okay. Functionality is pretty much basically the same. Setup for the lacrosse and also the AcuRite is the same way. Manual, the manual is pretty good. It explains pretty much basically everything that you need to know. Also, if you look at my channel, you'll be able to see where I'll have videos posted about the manual and also the basic battery and setup of the units as well. Okay, so there we go. Pretty, plain and straightforward. Here we are, the AcuRite model number 00384, the thermometer, which includes the moon phase, Alright, unit. Like I said, it's a pretty decent unit. No problem setting it up. In fact, it just pretty much basically set up by itself. Alright. As soon as I plugged it in, and all I had to do is hit the chime. Once the put the batteries in the sensor, it automatically started kicking in. Okay. So there we go. Be sure to check out more of my videos on YouTube. I have a huge playlist that I've been growing, not only about the weather stations, but different videos about traveling in and about Texas. So if you're interested, please check them out. Subscribe, comment, or like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.